what you are seeing now is the audio cleanup mastery course link, and the price is currently $79.99. So what I will do, I will create a coupon for you. I will create a coupon for you now, and using that coupon you will be able to take this amazing course. This is a audio cleanup mastery course, and you will be able to cut off your audio cleanup learning time, I think, from months to days. It is around a 1.5 hours long course, and if you do it correctly, if you do it in the correct way, then I think it will save you months of learning. It has some quizzes, and it shows you options with free software Audacity and Adobe Audition. Adobe Audition part is not that much longer. The Audacity part is mainly where I discuss the concepts like how to reduce the noise, how to remove the mouth noises and mouth clicks, how to fix uneven recordings, and what should be the proper loudness level for your recording, and what kind of effects you should add to make a better sound, and what are their sequence. Like, you cannot just randomly put some effects and hope that will make the sound better. So that is something. And also you can send me your raw audio, 5 minutes long raw audio and a improved audio in the web format, and I will review it and will give you feedback. Also, other things are included in this course. For example, the AI options. I also have discussed the AI options, couple of AI options, because now everything seems to be on the AI driven way. Everyone claims that AI is solving this and that, and all the worries are gone. But if AI is good enough to remove our audio worries, that is the thing. In the last part, you will be understand that how to improve the audio inside a video. Maybe you have recorded some voice in your video and you want to improve that. This course will also teach you how to do that in couple of video editing softwares. So let me create a coupon for you. Okay, so the current best price of this coupon. Okay, then I have option to choose the current best price and custom price. I'll choose the current best price, which is available for 5 days, and I will name this coupon August 9 review coupon. Okay, I have created the coupon and I will share this link in the description. So now you can enroll in this course and you can get custom feedback from me based on your audio, and feedback on your improved audio, that if you have done enough on that audio. So mainly you will be using Audacity to do that, but you can use that principle to any audio editing software, and I believe that it will cut off your audio cleanup process to a order of magnitude.